Okay, hi everybody. We're in Banff National Park in Canada. This is Alberta, Canada. There's Miss Grasso, Mr. Mennecke, and we're standing in a lodgepole pine forest, or what used to be a lodgepole pine forest, because in 1993, approximately 23 years ago, there was a controlled burn.
The reason for doing a controlled burn is to help weed out a lot of the trees that have gotten weak, ones that may be infested with invasive species of insects, and a lot of species of trees also rely on fire to release the seeds from their cones. There's a few cones right here that show evidence of being burned.
And you can
Below,
see they've opened up, and only the fire can open up these cones.
there's also a few examples of brand new seedlings that have started to grow. Hard to see.
There we go. Now we can see it. It was Miss Grasso's shadow.
Sorry.
And then we got another one over here.
A little bit bigger.
And then, of course, we've got another one there.
Doing well.
And then we've got another one over here, which did pretty well. Although maybe this one survived the fire, it's hard to tell. You can tell this tree over here survived the fire and most of these did not. But when you look up in this hill area over here, all of those trees were burned. So you're looking at probably hundreds and hundreds of acres of burned area.
It'll probably take close to 50 to 100 years for all of these trees to regrow. As you can see, there's still plenty of nutrient-rich soil here, and this is a beautiful example of secondary succession.
Oh, and one more thing. We've got lots of pioneer organisms all out in here.
And the large pine trees, they would be our example of our climax community.
In fact, if I walk over this way a little bit, you can actually see growing on some of these downed, burned trees. There's fungus that's starting to claim them. A lot of burned areas over here as well.